guys, real quick update here tonight, really short video. Just want to throw two things out there. The t-shirts came in today, so hopefully either by tomorrow morning or by tomorrow afternoon we'll have those in the mail to you. And I think by the PayPal system it sends you a tracking number also. I'm not sure on that, but I think they do. Second thing is, if you have time, give me a vote over on that FedEx contest. You can vote every 24 hours on there. It's just a little friendly reminder to keep voting if you have time. We appreciate your support on that. And not got a lot done this week. It's been cold and rainy and snowy for the biggest part of the week so far, but I've got a lot done in the shop this week. I've been videoing how the build's going on the coffee table with the walnut slab that I've been showing, so hopefully by tomorrow I'll have my first coat of finish on that table and we'll put a video out showing how we got to that point. So this is just a real quick update, guys. That's what's going on this week. T-shirts in the mail tomorrow. And give me a vote. The link's down below to the contest if you have time. And one last thing, I'm going to try the live video feed. I put that question out there in the last video and most people were pretty receptive of it and asked me to do it. So we're going to do that in a few days. And I'm going to do a video like this probably the day before, giving you guys a time on when I'm going to do it. That way you guys can plan accordingly, know what time it's going to be coming up instead of just being at home on your phone and see a live video pop up. We'll see you guys in a few days, and I appreciate your support and thanks for voting for me.
Thank you.